Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you watch all the way till the end because I found a secret spy tool on Facebook that you don't want to miss out on. Make sure you like and follow Grimy Studios on Facebook so that you don't miss any of our new videos coming out. Today we're going to talk about posting. When, what do I post, and one secret spy tool you didn't even know you had. Alright guys, let's dive right in. So if you follow along with me on the left, you can see everything I do, and we'll get through this in about a minute and a half. Okay, so I'm starting on my main Facebook page, going over here to the right arrow to go to my business page, which is Grimy Studios. There's two options here. You can go to more, and go down to Insights, or you can go to these three dots right here in the middle of the screen and go to View Insights. Okay, so here we are. Over here on the left menu side, we're going to go to Posts. And again, we're looking for what time do I post, what do I post, and then I'll show you that secret spy tool that we have hidden in here. Awesome, so this is here where it is. You can see right here the days of the week at the top, and this is the time of each day. So this number up here is about 1,000 of my followers are active each of these days, which is great for me because I only have about 1,100 and something followers on my business page, and so most of them are pretty active users, so it's great information to have. Now if I look at these numbers up here, I see that Wednesday I have the most followers active, and then if I go down here I can see that on average 5 o'clock is the best time for me to post. That's when the most of my followers are active. But for Wednesday, I can see that actually 4 o'clock is best on Wednesday. So there's that. You guys know what day of the week and what time. Next, we're going to look at the post types. So right here, next to when your fans are online, we have post types. You can see that my video reach is really great. It's about the same as the photo though, but then I look over at the average engagement here and I see that my videos get a whole lot more engagement than my photos. And for me, I know that I only have a handful of videos, like 3 or 4, but I have a bunch of photos. So obviously those couple of videos are doing a whole lot better than those lot of photos. But I also know that I have paid for some photos to be promoted. So what I'm gonna do is go up here and filter out those targeted posts, which are the paid ones, so I can get an idea of what my organic reach looks like. And now I see that those photos have a lot less organic reach, and I haven't put any money behind any of my videos, so I know that I need to put more videos on my page because that's what my fans like to see. And now here's the last thing we've been waiting for. That secret spy tool is my favorite hidden gem of Facebook because it's completely free. And so we go over here to top posts from pages you watch and you add pages. These are your competitors. You can see what their top post for the week was. That way you can see what day they posted, what time they posted, you can go to it and look at the copy on it, which is the words that are written there. You can see what photo was used or if it was a video or something else, an infographic, and then you can see the engagement on that post. So this is just super neat and helpful for keeping up and keeping track of your competitors without having to do any extra legwork once you set it up. So for me, I follow Bell Media and Life Marketing. Life is a national brand and Bell is an international brand, but then Social Icon over here, that's actually a local one, a local agency that does kind of the same thing as me. So I definitely want to watch all of those and see what they're doing great, what they're not doing, and what they're not doing so great. And so that is all we have for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Let me know if you have any questions.